Hello, this is a tutorial about how to send a news release with the NewsTip.com system, where you can send a news release free and get a 10-day trial to use the expert-click press room system. So let's take a look at a release here. And here's the NewsTip page, where it comes in and gives you the basic instructions where it's going to go, asks for the headline, the participant name, the participant is who the release is about, the media contact is who the contact is about. And for simplicity, I'm going to borrow another release that's already here because we've already seen all the parts. And this is about funds raised with Global Giving Program helps end child trafficking. So that would be the headline. So I'll borrow the headline from there. I'll go back to NewsTip and put the headline in here. Now, you can see that this is in Orlando, Florida. So I'll pick up the date line for Orlando. And I'll pick Florida as a state. Okay. The participant name, in this case the participant is Paving the Way Foundation, Inc., because that's who the release is about. And I want to pick up their URL, so I'll click on their profile, and from their profile I can get to the URL. So the URL is shown here, pavingthewayfoundation.org. So I'll put that in the news release, pavingthewayfoundation.org. Now I want to go pick up an image, and this is the image from the news release, so I'll pick that up, put that image in. And then it comes down and asks for the media contact name. Well, I know in this release, the media contact is Jan Edwards. So I'll pick up Jan Edwards. And I'll make Jan Edwards be the media contact. And then I need a media contact URL. And I find this on their website. Who we are, what we do, volunteer, donate, contact. Here's the contact form on their website. So we want to have this form that shows their media contact as the contact form for the release. And I'll pick up her phone. Here's her phone number. Okay, and then contact email address. Now, since her email address is already in the system, I'll use one of my email addresses. Because you can't use the same email that's already got an account in here. Then I'll go and I'll pick up the text from the release. There's the release. Pick up that text. Put that text in the box down here. And you can see how it looks. Okay. And this is where you have to enter the invitation code. Okay. So you enter your invitation code. Then you click to view a pop-up. And here's a pop-up of the release. And if you pull it on down, you'll see there's the release. It's all organized. And there's a send news release button here now. Okay. So you can send the release now from right there. And that release is now pending in the system. Why I didn't take it? Come on. Where are it? Okay, it's pending right now. So you see it circle. Takes a moment for the release to go in. And then the release is live here. It tells you the release number, 321-811. And there it is. This release is pending, so it hasn't been approved by us yet. But you can see here's the account, here's the group. And if you go to the group, you'll see the beginning of a press room that shows all the information. That's the routine about how to send a press release and set up with the NewsTip system. Thank you.